Friday! Happy Friday! We made it! Week 2 is done. Congratulations. We've survived distance learning so far. Hopefully you're able to hang in there. You're doing okay. Just wrap up on kind of some things that we covered this week that if you wanted to have conversations with your child just around what they're doing in math class might be helpful. So we've gotten them signed into EdPuzzle, which is where the students are going to watch videos, and on those videos there's questions that are in there, so they have to watch the entire video. And then they can also check the feedback, so I'll type in comments on whether they got it right or wrong. Maybe they forgot something like that, so they can always check that to see how they did. And then Khan Academy is something that we use as far as practice. So we've gotten them signed in on Khan Academy. They have been assigned 4 different assignments for them to complete, so you can check in with them to make sure that they have that done. In class today, I read off who had all of their stuff turned in. And anything that we sign up for, we always sign up for through Google, just because it makes it that much easier and faster for us to sign in. And the last thing that we've done is we've worked on the ebook. So we've just gotten them signed in. Hopefully next week we'll be able to get into a little bit more of the homework, but we've been trying to go slow and just make sure that the students understand how to utilize all of the technology that's there. So we will be diving into the curriculum here coming up probably maybe towards the end of next week or the following week. So if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a shout. Otherwise else, have a fantastic weekend. Enjoy the nice weather while it's here. See ya.